Good morning, my name is Joshua Apodaca. I'm here with Artificial Grass Masters. I am the owner and founder. We started some 7 years ago with just two guys in a pickup truck, and now we're over 75 employees big.
Artificial Grass Masters is a veteran-owned business. It's pretty important to me personally because I'm a vet as well. I served in the Army for 4 years.
I love working for a veteran-owned company. It's great to work with people who have already given service to their country and now want to give service to their community.
Being a veteran-owned business, everything we do is A, B, C, D. We don't skip steps. We don't shortcut you or ourselves.
We also have gone out and we've selected the absolute best quality grasses in the industry.
We are the grass experts.
My best seller right now is currently the Summer Breeze Pro. It's an 80 ounce and the clients enjoy it. I mean, it stays cooler than the heavier grasses.
We only offer performance blade grasses. It's going to stay about 15 to 20 degrees cooler than our competitors' grass.
We actually do all of Maricopa County and try to do the best for our customers.
Artificial Grass Masters takes pride in installing residential and commercial jobs alike. We've done installations like the Arizona Sports Complex, the Dodgers and White Sox Spring Training Field, Tots Unlimited, all over the valley, Langley Air Force Base, Fort Meade, 29 Palms in California, Fallon NAS Base, the New River MCAS. We've also done the City of Phoenix mini soccer fields, North Valley Christian Academy, waste management tents. That's only to list a few.
So I chose to work in this industry because artificial grass is very important to water conservation and the key to creating a low maintenance or even a maintenance-free yard. So it's very easy to maintain, it's going to save you money on your water bill, and it's going to save our planet in the long run.
A lot of customers come to us because we can offer the entire package.
We offer grass, we offer pavers, we offer travertine, we can do garden walls, irrigation.
We do sunscreens that protect the grass. We offer concrete curbing to go around your grass. You want to make sure it's encased with some type of border.
Different things like that all go hand in hand in your yard.
We are always in constant communication with the customers, and we always have an answer for any question that the customer has through the day, through the process, or at the end of the job.
What I work on is the artificialgrassmasters.com website. There are a lot of products, a lot of information. We try to update it weekly, daily on the specials.
We have a calculator built right into our website which helps you measure both the size and price of your project, at least to get an estimate, before you even come in and talk to us.
We update our social media content such as Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram.
We have done really well by all the homeowners here in the valley to make sure that we come out and we do quality installations, and we receive all the ratings and reviews to back that.
Google certified. Google wants to certify the best of the best within the industries. That way they can back their name.
Reviews are important to us because it talks about the customer's experience. They want to know if we're trustworthy. The reviews speak volumes to the whole process, from scheduling an appointment to having the project manager come out to getting you on the schedule and then having your project installed from start to finish.
We have the highest ratings and reviews throughout the entire United States, setting the bar for the artificial grass industry.
One of the best experiences that I've had with one of our clients was they had this extremely complex project for their backyard, and they said, Arnold, we need this in 2 weeks because we have a wedding, our daughter's wedding, who lives overseas. We need to get this done. Even though things are hectic, we were still able to execute it. Super cool wedding. The customer was super happy.
We offer a 15-year warranty, no fade, no fall apart. We offer a 2-year installation warranty, and we are also the only company in the entire United States that offers an extended warranty for artificial grass. Artificial Grass Masters goes out and completes roughly about 50 to 60 jobs on a weekly basis. We have created a model of efficiency. So we own all of our own dumpsters. This makes a 3, 4, 5 day job into a 1, 2 day job. We've done everything we can here at Artificial Grass Masters to provide for the customer and to design the company so that the customer never loses. Artificial Grass Masters is here for you. No water, no work, just grass. You know, if you come with Artificial Grass Masters, you'll always be in good hands and we'll always do the right thing.
That's why we carry a 5-star rating and we have the reputation we have. So choose us.